In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Getresponse pop-up form from button. To begin, log into your Getresponse account and look at the top menu. Find and click Tools. This is where Getresponse keeps features like forms, pop-ups, and other list building options. Next, select Forms and Pop-ups. This opens the area where you can manage existing forms and create new ones. Once you are on that page, click Create Pop-up. This tells Getresponse you want a pop-up form rather than an embedded form. Now you will choose a design. Browse the available templates and select the one that matches your style and goal, like a newsletter sign-up or a download offer. When you find the right one, click Use Template. Starting from a template saves time and ensures the pop-up is already formatted well for desktop and mobile. After the template loads, go to the top bar and click Display Rules. Display rules control how the pop-up appears on your site, and this is the key part for making it open from a button click, instead of showing automatically. In the Display Rules settings, choose the On-Click option. Then set the audience, trigger, and timing, based on what you want. For example, you might choose which visitors should see the pop-up and when it is allowed to trigger. Once those settings look right, click Next to continue. Getresponse will then provide code that connects the pop-up to a specific element on your website. Click Copy Code. This is important because the code includes a unique element ID or class that your website button will use to trigger the pop-up. Now switch to your website editor or the place where you control your button. Open the button settings and paste the copied code or the provided ID or class into the appropriate area so the button is linked to the Getresponse pop-up trigger. Make sure you paste it exactly as given, since even small changes can prevent the click action from working. Finally, return to Getresponse and click Publish. This makes your pop-up live with the click-to-open behavior you set up. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.